is that on the Day of Judgment, when Jahannam sees the human being for the first time, it's been created for Allahu A'lam how many thousands of years, it's been burning for Allahu A'lam how long, and it's been waiting for this day. So when Jahannam sees the human being for the first time, Allah Azza wa Jal says it will release like an expression, it's like it'll burst. It's like it'll burst out of anger. And then Allah mentions in the Quran that when Jahannam bursts and the human being sees this with his own eyes, Allah Azza wa Jal says at that moment, every single living thing will fall to its knees in prostration to Allah. The good, the bad, the ugly, the Muslim, the non-Muslim, the one who believed, the one who didn't believe, the one who wanted to see, the one who didn't want to see. When they see this with their eyes, they will fall in prostration. But on that day, Allah will say, stand up. Today is not the day of worship. Today is the day of judgment. You believing then is of no value. Believing after you see is of no weight. Your iman then will weigh nothing in the sight of Allah. Allah wants your iman now.